to fancy you in your Guns N' Roses t-shirt and bobber boots. And every kid on our street was afraid of you when you used to play on the green after school. They used to call you Mad Dog before she neutered you. She even made you get rid of that gnarly tattoos. There was Tupac Shakur and Chucky Arlaw. Now just faded scars. Oh, now just faded scars. A rumor went around that you killed a guy. It happened down on Main Street, it was late one night. Now it's all hush hush and you weren't ever charged. And no one ever had the guts to ask, did you do it? I still wonder, did you do it? Now he's just a faded scar. Now he's just a faded scar. Sometimes down at the pavilions, 2.4 children in tow. And man, you've really calmed down somewhat. You sometimes even nod or say hello. There's a whole new generation coming up. And man, those little bastards, they don't give a fuck. You're a legend, and they say, but they'll laugh anyway. Now we're just faded scars. 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 That goes out to all my holographic friends.